We literally learn every single day. Guys, I never believed that this single mistake of mine could actually be causing my revenue deduction. Like every single month. Let's say for instance, let's say this month I make up to like maybe $600, or let's say $620. That is, I keep noticing that before YouTube will finally tell you that a payment is coming your way, I'll be seeing something like minus $20. In fact, there was a time that I even got up to like minus $30. And that's actually made me to shoot this video here. That is this particular video. If you are a follower of this my channel, or you watch this video, you will understand what I actually said and how painful it was when describing it in this particular video. So I never knew that this single thing that I was doing was actually the thing causing it. Now, when I did this video, I was literally confused. I even told people to like help me if they have any solution, or if they know what could actually be going wrong. Lo and behold, from the comments section, I got different comments. Like I even jot down some people said it, some people said even went to as kind as even sending me emails, and I'm really really grateful. So but there's this particular comment that actually got to me. Like if I'm able to come across it, I will be dropping it on the screen. So the comment was like, most of the time it's not really YouTube that just purposely deducting your money. Try to check out things that you're doing. And secondly, YouTube is against what was this English, something like fake views. If I can get the exact phrase of the word, I'll be dropping it on the screen, but if I didn't, just try to understand what I'm trying to say. So that was what the person typed, and to me I was like, am I practicing anything like fake views? What is going on? What is even fake views? I went ahead and I started making my research back to back, because I cannot be experiencing this kind of thing. Then I finally came with the answer. Like I literally came out with a solution. So that was when I said to myself that, okay, I think this thing happened for my April paycheck. So my May paycheck was yet to start reading. So I said that I'm going to do something to actually see if it's this particular thing that has been reducing my revenue. Lo and behold, I did this thing and I didn't see the revenue deduction again. Now the question is, what was this thing that, what was this girl actually doing that made YouTube to be deducting such huge amount of money before the tax? So now the thing is, you see, growing here on YouTube, you'll be hearing different advice. Like before now, this is me being honest. I literally thought that this particular thing is okay, that is fine, it doesn't mean anything. Which is the minute you upload your video, you start switching accounts to watch it. This was the error. Like this was literally what I was doing back to back. Now, the thing is, I don't even do it with my own phone. I actually use my actually make use of this phone to shoot and upload my videos. Now, after shooting and uploading with this phone, I have another phone, and inside that phone I have multiple accounts. Yes, I believe I'm not the only one doing this now, because I've trained a lot of students, and from time to time they keep asking me this particular thing, and I'll be like, it's not good though, don't do it though, don't do it though. And most of them might not really understand. So if you're watching me right now, you are monetized and you're doing this particular thing, you'll be noticing revenue deduction. Like you will notice it. Yeah, so that's basically what I was doing. Once I finish uploading my video, I'll pick up my other phone. I have close to like 8 different accounts. I will switch, I will watch it. Normal to me, what I'm trying to do is like to try to like push the video front small. That is so that the YouTube algorithm will know that, okay, this video people are clicking on it and the view is increasing, the watch hour is increasing. Because if you're doing it, you'll be noticing it from the analytics. The view will be going up and the watch hour will be going up. This was basically what I had at mind, and I literally learned it from YouTube here, from one creator. So I said to myself that, why am I even doing this? And from the study that I did, if you are monetized, YouTube take notes of your views. If you're not monetized, this might not really to affect you, but it's not even good, because at the end of the day, your watch hour might be deducted. That is the fake watch hour. Because one thing YouTube despise so much, you see fake engagement, YouTube despise it. So if you're practicing it now, please, you just have to stop. Whether you like it or not, YouTube take notes of the views you have. The minute you get monetized there, that is when you will see that YouTube will start taking notes. That is why if you make mistake, you go and use reuse content, or you violate their rules, they will just attack you ASAP. So that is why the minute you monetize here, you have to be very, very careful. So what YouTube is doing is normal. YouTube know that, okay, this video, these are the people, this is the main view. So any artificial view, fake engagement, fake view coming in, the YouTube algorithm know, like they can actually detect it. Why? Is because if you use this particular phone now to watch my video, you switch account to still watch your video, you switch another account, you are doing it from the same device and from the same IP. So that's your IP is what YouTube is paying attention to. Even if it's on the laptop and you are still doing the same thing, it's also going to affect you. Like it will really, really affect you, and YouTube is against it. So now what now happen is, let's say for that my particular video, I managed to like get like 600 views in total, and let's say for the fake engagement views, they are like maybe 7, or sometimes even 10. Now YouTube is going to deduct it from my revenue because they consider it as fake. So after all the research, I decided to say, okay, for the month of May, I'm not going to do it again. Like, I'm not going to switch any account. In fact, I will not even watch it with my other channel, Princess Chanwaka, or even my lifestyle. And I will not even share the video. I just want to see whether this thing is actually the issue. Lo and behold, my May paycheck, yes, YouTube did not deduct any penny. I think around that May, how much did I even make? I can't really remember. Let's say I made 516. The only thing YouTube did was to just deduct my tax. And also, I even noticed that the money that YouTube started deducting from my tax is not even high again. You see, sometimes you just be facing one thing, like you be crying, you be frustrated. Sometimes, if you just take your time to like make your research, analyze, try to know what is going on, you discover that most at times you are the one actually causing it. Had it been I didn't make my research, or I didn't do that video that day, so that I can hear from that is so that I can learn from every other person there, because whether you like it or not, you don't you can never know everything. Yeah, that is the way it is, and we are all on this platform to learn. That is what I keep making most of us understand. We are all here to grow. Every single day we are growing, and as we are growing, we are all learning. You can learn from somebody that just have only 50 subscribers. Like every single day here, each day I watch videos here, I am learning, and I'm so glad that I did that video and I got the answers that I was looking for. Though I didn't really get the answer. Nobody was actually, they were just telling me it could be this, it could be that, it could be that one. So after my research, I discovered that this thing could actually be the issue. And I'm really, really glad that as I decided that I am not going to do it again. My May revenue, my June revenue, YouTube did not deduct anything. Like not even pin. So that is why I said, let me come up here to come and share it with us, because from that single video, I noticed from the comment section that a lot of us, that is a lot of you guys are actually experiencing the same thing. One even went to as far as saying that most of the time YouTube deduct close to $25 back to back ever since he got monetized. So if you are currently watching this video now and you're that faithful person that dropped that comment, please, if you are doing this, just try to check out if this might actually be your case. Kindly stop it, okay? That is why you're noticing that revenue deduction. Yeah. So I really want us to be guided. Do not make mistake that will just be making you to be making money here and YouTube will just be removing it. So I just hope this video helps you out in any way. And if it does, please do well to like this video if you've not liked it. Drop me your comment if you've ever noticed something like this, or you've passed through it before. Yeah, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of other creators out there. And as usual, always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.